See, look when people come and they throw rubbish everywhere.
Yeah.
Man, yeah, under like wow, amazing, amazing nature, right? Waterfall, yeah. Normally, right, at the rain season, it have a lot of water and it look amazing more. But right now, it's definitely in nature. At the rain season, a lot of water more. It's more good to thing, man. It's a spectacular, right? But right now it's been like a dry season, end of dry season, and there's lack of water. But for the nature, right? See, man, definitely amazing, right? I love it here. But like really sad here. Like, work when people come, chatting together, have party, drinking, and man, they threw rubbish everywhere. Man, it's like a heartbreaking. Yeah, yeah. They come here, they enjoy, and man, they threw everything. Garbage, something like, oh, wow, cool.